have? The race for speed. As soon as people started driving automobiles, someone started racing them. They've been trying to go faster ever since. So how fast can we go? The official land speed record was set by a man named Andy Green in Black Rock, Nevada in 1997. Green and his vehicle, named Thrust SSC, reached a speed of 1,288 kilometers per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. In fact, the Thrust SSC produced a sonic boom. A sonic boom sounds a lot like an explosion, and thunder is a natural sonic boom. How did the Thrust SSC go so fast? Well, it used 2 turbojet engines, so Green's previous experience as a fighter pilot came in handy when he was learning to drive this car. So here are the 2 turbojet engines, and you can see on the picture on the bottom of the page, the turbo jets are coming out here, and this is a flat desert area in Nevada where they do these time trials. So here's a graph, or you can graph it. There are lots of other speed records. Research the wheel-driven land speed record and maybe the rail speed record. Also, make a graph or a chart that compares all of the speed records you can find and share your results with your class. That's an extra credit option if you want to. Here we go with, what about a stop sign? If you've ever watched a movie about jet pilots or race car drivers, you've probably heard someone talking about pulling some G's. But what does that mean? A G-force is an informal unit of measurement used by aeronautics and space engineering. 1 G-force is the average acceleration due to gravity on Earth's surface. So you experience 1 G-force all the time. You have gravity pulling you down. That's a G-force. That's 1 G-force. So in the 1940s and 50s, Colonel John Paul Stapp experienced a lot more than 1 G-force. At what is now Edwards Air Force Base, Colonel Stapp strapped himself into a device the scientists called the G-Whiz. This was a rocket sled that hurled volunteers forward before bringing them to a sudden stop along the track. In one of his runs, Colonel Stapp was subjected to 46 Gs. His work had an impact on everything from seatbelts to the restraints worn by astronauts. And so here is this rail. And this was back in the 1950s. Research what happens when people experience extreme G-forces. Find out what physical symptoms they are likely to experience and how those symptoms can be prevented. Design a safety pamphlet describing your findings. Well, that could be an extra credit assignment. There you go.